There are tons of great methods for making a bunch of half square triangle units at once. But then what? Today we're pressing and sizing half square triangles. You can't overvalue a good press. The trick is to press it open enough that nothing is tucked underneath the pressing line, but not so open that the stitches show. We start while it's closed with a quick 1, 2, 3 press to set the seam. Then we open it up so that we can press to the dark. We set our iron down and we work it up to the line. And then once we've got that set, we work it gently over the top. And then press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see on this seam, I've got a good start up here. When I got down to the end, I accidentally pressed some of the fabric underneath my pressing line. To fix this, simply reset your seam and try again. All better. The other thing to look out for is getting too rough with your half square triangles. If when you go to press it, you're pulling so hard that you can see those stitches start to form through your seam line, you're really pulling too hard. Those seams will eventually show through and you're going to warp that square. Once the units are pressed, we're ready to cut. It's really handy to have a ruler that has a 45-degree angle line going to one of the corners, but if you don't have it, you can just look at the marks along the inch lines where they meet up on the diagonal. I line up the ruler where the seam meets across that diagonal. I use a stable hand position to apply downward pressure. I line my ruler up and I cut. If you're a confident cutter, you can also go ahead and cut along the top at this point. That's given us two great square edges. I turn it and we line it up again, making a 2.5 inch square. I got it going across the diagonal and I've got my 1/2 inch line meeting at the edges. And now we have a perfectly sized half square triangle.